and today we'll work together to help you read better, and we'll practice reading and find ways to make it easier for you to read. So I have here a book, so we have chosen here this book, so we're gonna read this, and I'm going to determine which you have to improve. So go read. Please read.
Chapter 1. Yesterday my work comes to an age of 10:43 on a Friday night, when the Valier launched to stop between the age of 70th floor of the building. That house is in Jennifer where I work. The 17 lights flicker, then go off completely after. That lasts about 5 seconds and fails at 7 about. These strips come back with this laser. Yellower things of the emergency bell crack. Fun facts. The second time my work came to end tonight. Not first was less than minutes ago. When the failure I'm reading stopped on the 13th floor, and Eric Nowak, the last person I went to try to see a person in all the block. Missing like gallery student me for what affects to long talk to step by step, and then student me some more what I think is straight these steps of my shoes. Look up, it is nearly complete selection. I work a new work city, and my completion going frank runs a small office on the 8th floor of a mansion building. Very small. It has to be small because we're a beautiful step station of shelves. It's pretty for short market, and we don't always make tons of money. I guess that's what happened there. Value, thanks that responsibility, environmental protective, education with viability, and efficiency, reversibility, rather that distinct several of explore that diversity areas so as to set technologies and well I don't bore you with me. Independent. Enter on grand intersection. So said, it is so my boss granted he consequently it's the only that in Indian work.
So okay. So great job, Shasha. You have read the story so well, and I have also determined some minor deficits, but it's okay. I am here to help you improve it. Is that okay?
Objective: conduct a remediation session focusing on reading in English for elementary or secondary learners. Apply effective reading strategies and document the process through a video. Strategies to be used are phonemic awareness activities, guided reading, and repeated reading.
So let's start from correcting your mispronounced words. So we have the word flicker. So what? Can you read this again?
Flicker. Slide.
Slightly.
Slightly.
Okay. Here?
Actually.
Actually.
Actually. Actually.
Yeah. Here?
Head.
Cane.
cane.
Yes. This
Minimization.
minimization. Minimization.
Minimization.
So minimization.
Minimization.
Faster. Minimization. Okay. Back again.
Flicker. Slightly. Absolutely.
Actually.
Actually.
Yes.
Cane.
Cane.
Cane. Minimization.
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 It's okay. Okay. How do you sound this? 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 So how do you pronounce it?
Mini.
Yeah. Again, what's this?
M.
Then this? It's okay. How do you sound this? And this?
Ah.
Ah. Ah for?
Up.
Yeah. So, combine this. Mini.
Minimization.
Yes. Minimization. So, what other? Do you have any? Do you have any difficulty in reading this? Like any word of this? Where?
It's perfect.
Here. So when we say inspected, how do you do this? Here. Here. So it's like a snake. And how do you sound this? Yeah. Then this. Okay. This. Yeah. Then this. Okay. Then this. So how do you pronounce it? All this.
Unexpected. Unexpected.
Yes, inspected. So we've also identified this word completely. So how do you? So the word completely. So how do you sound this? And this? Yes. And this? Completely. Again?
Completely.
Yes, good job. Then let's read again the story because you already improved your pronunciation and your reading skills. Again,
President.
again, present.
My world comes to an end at 10:43 on a Friday night.
Yes.
When the elevator lodged to a stop between an 8th and 7th floor of the building that housed that enormous
Okay. So, you have a D here in this word. So again, we're gonna improve this. So, engineering. So again, how do you sound this? Engine. So, it just added the word earring. So, engineering. Engineering.
Engineering.
So, again, houses.
Engineering.
Where?
Where a word that selling lights
Quicker.
then go off completely. Then after a stretch that lasts about 5 seconds, but feels like several decades, come back with a slightly yellower tint of the emergency
Yes. Emergency bulb.
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 So again,
My world comes to an end at 10:43 on a Friday night when the elevator learns to stop between the 8th and 7th floor of the building that houses the engineering firm where I work. The ceiling lights flicker, then go off completely. Then after it reaches and lasts about 5 seconds, but feels like 7 decades, come back with slightly yellower tint of the emergency bulb cut.
yay! Good job! Great job, Sasha! And that's all for today. I am your teacher, Marjel, and thank you for your cooperation. Again, say bye!
Bye!
Today's remedial session in reading was successful in addressing minor deficits identified in learner reading skills. Through targeted strategies such as phonemic awareness activities, guided reading, and repeated reading, the learner showed noticeable improvement in her reading abilities. With guidance and support, she was able to demonstrate increased confidence and accuracy in her reading. Future sessions will continue to build on these gains, reinforcing and refining reading skills.